Now, in a fresh twist to the Diary Gate case, the Supreme Court has asked petitioner Prashant Bhushan to name the whistleblower who shared Ranjit Sinha's visitor diary details. Bhushan claiming he will reveal the sources if the person concerned gives his consent. Meanwhile, the CBI chief has told the Apex Court that 90% of the notings in the diary are forged.
The Supreme Court heard the case involving the CBI director, where the Center for Public Interest Litigation has filed an application for his removal from the 2G investigation on account of the fact that he has tried to destroy the 2G case by trying to file an affidavit supporting the case of the accused at the fag end of the trial, despite the fact that he was told by the special public prosecutor, Mr. Lalit, not to do so. This is also the case where we have filed the entry register of the CBI director's residence, which shows that he met the accused in the 2G case and many other cases at his residence multiple times. In this matter today, the counsel for the CBI director argued that this application filed by the Center for Public Interest Litigation should not even be examined without the center and without I disclosing the source of the information about these facts, about the entry register, etc. I told the court that the source of the information is not relevant. What is relevant is whether the information supplied to the court is correct or not, which can be easily verified in 2 minutes from looking at the original file notings, as well as by examining the officers of ITBP and the CBI who were posted at the entry gate of the CBI director's residence. And therefore, identity of the whistleblower is not relevant.